Welcome to Flashcards. My name is Vic, and we'll be starting with the very basics of Python. This is Data Science using Python Class 1, Part 1. Now, to start with, if I want to use Python in my system, what is the first thing I need? I need the Python software. I need the Python IDE, the integrated development environment, such as PyCharm, Spider, certain reporting tools like Jupyter. Both of these, IDE and Jupyter, are GUI, graphical user interface. To understand it better, if we want to work on Python, we can directly go to this command prompt and this can take me to the Python shell. But nobody would want to work like that. Thus, we take the help of these GUI, graphical user interface. IDE is majorly towards the development part and Jupyter is a reporting tool. For data science, we'll be majorly working on Jupyter or Jupyter, howsoever you might like it to call it. Now, I want you to understand this. Basic Python will not allow us to do any data science. For that, we require certain packages or set of packages. Under packages, we have a concept of sub-packages and modules, which is similar to the libraries in R. Basically, these are some set of external codes which we want to use in Python for data science. Now, if we want to install all these tools, there is an option. We can directly go to the Python website. We can install that. We can go to PyCharm and install. Similar for Spider, for Jupyter. Yet there is one more option wherein we can just go ahead and install Anaconda. Now, Anaconda is nothing but a bundle of all these things. In Anaconda, we'll get Python as a language, Spider as the integrated development environment IDE, and Jupyter as the reporting tool. Along with that, we'll get a certain set of sub packages and modules for data science and 1500 plus packages along with Anaconda. In the next phase, I'll show you how to install Anaconda.